Alright guys, so today is going to be a short video today. I just received my new Hellcat air box with the inlet right here so the air can come through the headlight right here. Now take that out. As you can see, there's more space inside of this box compared to the one that came off right here. Got that little blockage right there, I guess. So we about to get more air into the engine with this. And I got my Can-In air filter. It's a little weather stripping to go around to this part on the new box. Right there. I already took all this off because I pretty much showed it in my last video, so I'm not gonna do a time lapse of that again. It's my old filter. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. What I'm gonna do now is prep my box to go inside the car. So I got my weather stripping right here. I'm about to apply some right here, and then on the bottom of this box right here. So what you think? Look like factory to me. Somewhat close, I guess. Now let's put on the pieces that I removed from the old box, which is this little rubber grommet right here. Oh no, not the camera. Which is this little rubber grommet right here. Make me put some force on here. Don't make me get the WD-40. There we go. And this other little rubber piece that goes on the back. So now we're ready to install the box. I'm going to remove this cover from the headlight. Just take this plastic trim off. I know you can't see me, but it ain't hard. So I reach through the back of the headlight, push in 3 tabs. 1, 2, then push in the upper tab, and it's gonna come out. Like that. I know my car dirty, don't say nothing. Now you have a access for the inlet tube to get air from right there. just like that, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.